Looking for a simple way to access multiple SATA drives quickly? This 2-bay hard drive docking station offers seamless access to 2, 5 and 3, 5 SATA HDDs and SSDs. Whether you're backing up files, transferring data, or creating disk images, it handles everything over a fast USB 3.2 Gen 1 connection at 5 gigabits per second. If speed and flexibility matter, this dock is built to deliver. I've used this dock with a variety of drives, and the tool-less design makes swapping drives effortless. You can hot swap one drive while the other stays active, perfect for multitasking without interruptions. The top-loading, toaster-style bays with protective drive doors keep your drives secure while in use. Plus, LED activity lights give you clear status updates at a glance. What stands out is its compatibility. This dock supports any capacity SATA I, 2, or 3 drives, whether HDD or SSD. It's oxygen monosulfide independent, so it works across Windows, Mac, and Linux without a hitch. An IDE adapter is available separately for even more versatility. The package includes a 4-foot USB-A cable and a universal power adapter, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Durability is another key benefit. The drive bays are rated for 15,000 insertion and removal cycles, meaning this dock is built to last through heavy daily use. That's why IT professionals trust it for reliable performance in demanding environments. On top of that, it comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime 24/5 multilingual tech support, so help is always within reach. If you're managing multiple drives regularly, this dock changes the game by simplifying your workflow. No more fumbling with cables or external enclosures. Just plug in your drives, swap them as needed, and enjoy fast data access without delays or compatibility issues. It's a practical solution designed for anyone who needs efficient, hassle-free storage management. Worth a look if you want to streamline your data tasks with a dependable, easy-to-use device. Whether you're an IT pro or a power user, this 2-bay hard drive dock offers what you need: speed, flexibility, and durability. Try it when you're ready to upgrade how you handle your drives. Ready to experience faster backups and smoother data transfers? This docking station is a smart investment for anyone working with multiple SATA drives. Its proven design and solid support make it a reliable choice that won't slow you down. Check it out and see how it can simplify your digital storage setup today.